Sammy hurts.
Thank you. Come on in, you guys. Welcome to the Grimoire.
Hey guys! Oh man, you came at the right time. You gotta check out this book we found in that old treehouse at the end of the creek. It's pretty rad. Listen up. An ancient reading from the Fable of Scourge. A world where words turn whispers in the air to unleash stories and shadows of days long gone from hell's lair. A world where brothers fight brothers. Where blood runs thicker than nightmares, where screams of mortals in war are filled with pain and despair. A world where being thankful is filled with a thirst for blood and taste of flesh. Grimoire! Grimoire, rise from the depths! Damn these souls to our pages through dying breath.
What are you doing out of bed? Look at the hallways right now. Go to bed. Why are you out of bed? Get in bed now. Go get in your bed. Get in bed.
Wake up! Don't close your eyes! You're gonna make it, soldier! What's this? A world where streams of